What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video of my abuela's kitchen, mi abuela's kitchen. And today's recipe will involve a lot more ingredients, but I think you will benefit a lot from it because it will be a healthy dish. Today we're going to be having lunch together as a family, and we will be having albondigas. Now I know there's a lot of recipes out there of albondigas, but this is the way we make it. Not a lot of ingredients, but enough to give it a nice, good taste.
Las albóndigas no son muy difíciles, son simples porque no nos gusta ponerle tanta cosa. Sabemos ponerle todo, pero nosotros no le ponemos tanta cosa. Para hacer las bolitas, 2 libras de carne, o depende de la familia que sea, para las personas que quieran hacer. Se le pone hierbabuena bien picadita, se le pone arroz y un polvito de harina y 2 huevitos. Le chequeamos el nombre. Y sal al gusto para las bolitas. No le ponemos tanta cosa como llevan porque la queremos simples nomás. Y para hacer el caldito, calabacitas, chayote, cebolla, zanahorias, papas y unos chilitos California para que pinte el caldito y Knorr Suiza, unas cucharaditas. Es todo, son simples. Echamos poquito el arroz, que esté poquito cocidito. Le echamos agüita y pónganle a puños de sal.
You're going to bring the rice to a little soft boil, and you're going to add salt, and you're going to let that cook for a little bit.
No está tan filoso, pero ahí se va. Primero picamos hierbabuena.
So just use the hierbabuena to your taste liking. This is actually going to go in the meat of the albondigas.
Esta la podemos dejar.
So we have 5 zucchinis, and we're just going to do nice little chunks. Don't dice them too small because you want to see them in your soup to give it the nice look and nice texture in your soup. Nice colors. Alright, so we're going to continue with the vegetables, and she prefers to peel the chayote. We're going to do 3 chayotes, and I mean, personal preference again, you don't have to peel them, but if you want to peel them, you can. I usually just throw them in all together, and I must admit, I make some bomb albondigas. ¿Yo hago unas albondigas buenas, abuela?
Sí, pues lo que te digo, que tú haces bueno. Yo un día comí con ajito.
It's like a slimy fish. I've never peeled them, so it's kind of awkward, the feeling.
Se resbala, ¿verdad? Yo cuando le pelan
This is embarrassing. It's not that I don't know how to cook, this is a new experience to like peel the chayote. Kind of weird. But it's cool to know. I just threw everything everywhere. This is real home cooking, people. Bloopers included. Alright, so the next step here is to do the carrots. So she's just doing little tiny chunks of carrots, just like this. And while she does that, I'm gonna peel the potatoes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potatoes, and she has 3 carrots. So remember, we're making kind of a big pot for probably 8 to 10 people, and so this is how much we're gonna use for a nice hefty pot.
Las señoritas estas.
I'm gonna make a Twitter account, and like every time I hear her say something funny or cute, I'm gonna put it on the Twitter. If you guys think that's a good idea, hit thumbs up or leave a message below, because some of the stuff she says is never put on video, and but they're like super hilarious. Like she called the carrots señoritas. Están bien duras las señoritas, she said. So here's the rice now. It's a little more dense, a little thicker now. But you don't want it to completely be ready. So this is how you want it. Just take it out of the stove and you're gonna just strain it. So now it's time to make the albóndigas.
Está muy bien picada. Está muy grande.
¿La
pero
pico?
¿Se puede más?
Sí, aquí, a ver.
A ver.
Ayer hice sushi. ¿Te gusta el sushi?
No sé que ni lo conozco.
¿No?
No conozco a Chuchi.
A sushi, no chuche.
Yo casi no ando por ahí.
Mira. ¿Ya ves que sí estoy aprendiendo? Siento medio como echarle un dedo. Ok, ahí está. Okay.
La hierbabuena.
So you're gonna put hierbabuena in the meat.
Y se le pone el arroz.
¿Ese? Then you start adding the rice to your preference. Yo esa es otra parte que yo no hacía. No le echaba hierbabuena ni cocía el arroz antes. Those are two other steps I didn't do, which was like cook the rice and add hierbabuena. Just never thought about it, I guess. This is why I make the videos, because, well, we do it one way, what we think is right, or what we think it should be like. But then we learn the little secrets. You know, like cooking the rice and adding the hierbabuena. So the next step, add the egg. She's adding 2 eggs, the whole thing in there. Then you add salt, preference again. Okay. Alright. So here's a...
A Silvia le gustan las bolotas.
¿Y a ti las bolitas?
Y a mí las bolitas, porque cuando me lleno.
Alright, while we wait for the vegetables to boil, we're going to send a few shout outs. Vamos a decir unos saludos a los de YouTube. Zuniga Francine 89, we just want to say what's up. Thank you for your comments. Cindy Medina.
Saludos a Cindy Marina.
Y a esta, mira.
Saludos a Ana de la Rosa.
Saludos a Mari Martínez, Maggie Sánchez, Gustavo, INSD. Saludos. Gracias por visitarnos, ¿verdad?
Gracias por mirar los videos.
Y también vamos a Instagram. Thank you for all those who have added Instagram. A ver, vamos a ver. ¿Quién está aquí? Only One, NNN. A ver, ¿quién más aquí? Vamos a mandar un saludo a Pink Blue 5. A ver. Abigail Hernandez. What's up? Nice headband. American. Nice red hair. Nice red lips. Ooh. Amanda, Cutie Pie Sweets, Maggie Q Love, and we'll send more shout outs next time, alright? But thank you guys for always leaving a comment on Instagram or YouTube. We love seeing those. ¿Verdad que te gusta ver cuando te leo los mensajes, los comentarios? Ah, ya estás bien con el lingo de YouTube, con las palabras de YouTube. Los comentarios y todo bien que sabes. Ok. Un puño. 2 puños. Y yo digo que con 3, ¿verdad?
3 puños, échale otro.
¿Otro? Ok, me salió mal. 4 puños. ¿Ya?
Pues luego le mido.
Ok,
pero vamos a ver si le falta.
Salt again. Personal preference, all right? We added 4.
Así cilantro le has de dar sabor al caldo.
So you're gonna put cilantro in it to give it some flavor. The next step, put the chile in there.
Para que se vea bonito.
Ándale. Mira qué chulada.
De maíz prieto. Ahora van las albóndigas.
Then you're gonna put the albondigas in there. Una por una.
Tiene que echar mucho, casi todo esto. ¿Ya?
She's adding the leftover rice. There's two ways of doing it. You can put the uncooked rice into the pot
Sabe a Knorr.
when you start boiling everything, or you can just use whatever was left from the albondigas and throw it in there while it's boiling. Albondigas, homemade albondigas, your preference. Remember, you can add anything, omit anything you want. It's just personal preference, but this is the way she makes them. Some of the stuff I've never done before, so now it's good to know. Now I have it for myself and for all you people who would like to know how to make albondigas my abuela's style. If you have any requests for specific dishes, let us know. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. And if you think that we should open up a Twitter with my abuela's favorite little sayings, let me know. Also, leave a comment below. Well, guys, thank you for watching, and God bless you, and I'll see you next time, all right? Peace. In the Middle East.
¿Quieres enseñar un plato con la
Sí. Break time. Salud.
Salud con pollo.
¿Y qué lo van a ver? Mientras hay que mandar saludos. ¿Sí?
¡Acción!
So while we wait for the vegetables to boil, we're going to send a few shout outs to